I'm in love with the cold, cold.
We trying to go in. Oh my god. It's so fucking cold.
Like 10 minutes.
Your girl dying out here.
Yesterday, maybe.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you
Girl
need
almost made it. It's so cold out here.
Call me
There's like
on my
hella
cell
people.
Late night when you need Belong to me one day. Ever since I left the city, you sorry, baby, cause you were I should stay champagne all night to dance for. You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need
Hi guys, so I know this is like a really weird setup, but I just got home from the store, the Kylie pop-up store. So yeah, I just got some new makeup stuff and I want to do a quick like haul for the video. I know it's like a good setup, but okay, I just got this case. Okay, I got this case and I'm glad I got the right one because I was like, when I left, I was like, oh, did I get the one for the 8 Plus? And I was like, oh my god, I was like freaking out. And then it turns out I got the right one, and this is, yeah, the one for the iPhone 8, and this is what it looks like. I kind of spent a lot. Your girl kind of went all out, bought like everything in the store. Oh my god, look at this, it's so pretty. Look at it. So yeah, I got some stuff. For starters, I got the eyeshadow palette. It's the blue one. It's the blue palette. I think that's what it's called. And it's like a mini little haul video, even though it's like from the worst angle ever. But I can't take it out. I'm struggling. Oh my gosh, I almost dropped it. Okay, so this is when she collabed with Courtney. It says Court, and I can't open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at these shades. Look at them. I am shook. Yes. Yes. I can't get over it. It has a giant mirror and I think it's really good quality. Oh yeah, and then there's like the names on the back of it. I forgot how much that was, but there's a receipt, so there's that. Oh my gosh, and I got this one. There was a giant wall of like lip kits and they wouldn't let us take it out, and like there were testers, but like oh my god, the testers, oh my god, it was so crowded. It was insane. I think I recorded some of it, but like where the testers were, there were so many people. Like everyone wanted to try it, but there weren't that many testers actually, so I got this one out on a whim kind of, but like I had to go on the website while I was there. So while I was standing in there, I had to go on the website and check it out. Oh, I didn't even swatch this yet because they wouldn't let us. So I'm gonna swatch it right now. So this is the shade. I don't know if you can see. This is the shade. Oh my god. It smells really good. And that's the shade of the lipstick. So far this video is not going the way I want it to. Okay. This is really pretty. Like I said, I did not get to swatch this when I was in the store, so right now I'm just sort of like, oh wow, this is really pretty. I'm so glad I got the right shade. Yeah, so then there's also I got the lip kit, so it comes with the lip liner too. I believe this lip kit was $27 because I went on the website to check the price and it was $27, I think. And I like low-key don't want to like swatch the lip liner just because it's like I don't really like it's like so perfect. Like when you just buy, like when you buy new makeup, it's like you don't want to touch it because it's so perfect, and then like you ruin it when you like swatch it and play with it and stuff. But like yeah, that's the lip liner shade. It's really pretty. I'm really into these type of like nude pink. It was so hard to pick the shades. Like the testers like were everywhere and they were so messy and they were so crowded. It was insane. So I didn't really get to test out this shade when I was there. I just kind of went on the website to see the shade. So yeah, I'm so tired. I'm like, oh, it was so crazy today. And okay, here we go. Oh my god. How much did Mai spend today? I don't know, like you can see that. Yeah, it says $95.48. Okay. I splurged a lot. Okay, there's nothing else in here. Is there? Oh my god, I forgot. I almost thought that I was done, but nope, I'm not. You would think that I would just, I mean, when I went in there, I was just like, oh, I won't buy a lot. I'll just buy like maybe 1 or 2 or all of it. I don't know, like I didn't think that I would buy a lot until I went in there and I was like, oh my god. I was like freaking out. It was so amazing in there. Oh my god, what the... Okay, this thing just fell out, so I guess I have to throw that away now. I got this highlighter. Yes, I swatched it. There was 2. There was a gold one and then there's a pink one, and then there were a bunch of blushes that was like on display and like a bunch of testers, and it was so pretty. And I swatched it and I was just like, oh my god, this one is the pretty one that I like. I don't know, the gold one, I have so many gold highlighters, and I just saw this one. I was like, oh my gosh, yes. Like, okay, my swatches are so bad I can't even show it. I don't know if you can see it, but that's the swatch. It's really shitty. I don't know, you probably can't see it, but actually I want to do with this hand. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to do swatches. Like, okay, I don't know if you can see. It's that one. Yeah, it's really hard to see because I'm like a mess in this video. I'm sorry. It's in the shade Cotton Candy Cream. A lot of people say that they don't like these highlighters because they are very subtle, but I like it because I just don't want a super intense highlight. And like, I don't know, I just thought this was different, and I have a lot of golden highlighters and like pink ones, and like I just wanted something that's like different, and this one is perfect for my skin tone because I'm very, very pale. and if I got the gold one, I think it would be like a giant gold streak on my face, so I didn't really want that. Okay, that's all I have for today's haul, or wherever this is. This is such a bad angle, and I look so oily right now, and it's like really late, so like it's really dark in my room, sort of. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, peace, bye. So I was just gonna end the video, but then I wanted to do some swatches, so I'm gonna attempt to do a swatch. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, look at that. I don't know if you can see, the lighting is so bad, but those are the swatches, and this is the matte one, and oh my gosh, I think it's all really pigmented, and this is the darkest shade. Oh my gosh, like these swatches are really bad, but like, oh my gosh, I'm like shocked. Like this was the one that I really wanted, because I was gonna get the extended bronze palette, I think it was called, but that one is like 42 and this one was like 24, and I figured that I only needed like the 4 shades because I was like really into warm tones and like bronzy eyeshadow, so I got this one. And oh my hands are like, I have so many swatches on right now, but yeah, I need to wash it off. So this is it. This is my little haul, and I spent a lot of cash today. I saw a lot of girls there, and I went yesterday too actually, but that was like the first day. Yesterday was like the first day. It was so crazy. There was like 200-300 people in line, and in the morning, when it was like 10 in the morning, like all these girls were there, and like it took up the whole block. They had to close the streets, like the cars couldn't drive through, and like it was crazy. And like I went there yesterday at around 4:30, and it was still insane. Like it wasn't as much people, but it was still crazy, and I didn't get to go in. I was like, oh my god, they're gonna close it today. I won't be able to go in. It was so crazy. So yeah, I'm so happy I actually got to go in today. I think I was like recording everything while I was waiting, but like there was a lot of people there, and like people standing behind me, and I was like trying to vlog, but like some girls were like kind of staring at me. So yeah, and I tried to vlog in the store, but it was so chaotic in the store that I couldn't really vlog in there. So I tried my best, and I was kind of like in a rush, and I was on the website, on Kylie's website, trying to like look for my shades, and it was just really crazy. So yeah, and I saw my swatches on. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna go now.